going on, everybody? My name is Brandon, but you can call me Moist Chip. And today, what you got in front of you guys is, well, go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Bryson. You'll see my face for the first time.
Why are we here? What are we doing?
Well, for the looks of it, we're going to take the ice bath.
I don't see no ice in there, bro. Let me see. What we got? I don't see no ice in there. What you got going on?
What are you talking about?
Oh, okay. All right, well,
And the
if my lovely assistant could get the ice for me.
And another
Thank you.
detail is the water is freezing.
Okay, he says the water is freezing. Okay. Now, if we
Can't
could pour
tell,
some of the
but
that's
can't tell
another
cold.
thing of water. Put some ice in there for me. Okay.
Take it easy.
All right. Yep, that's enough. Now pour the remaining of the ice in the bath. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. There we go.
YouTube.
All right, we're good. Is that cold? Is it cold, bro?
As you can see, real
Yep,
ice.
there's real ice, he says. All right, are you ready?
Can I just get in for a minute?
Go. You gotta go. Go. Get in. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
You got to sit down, buddy.
Sit down, or I'm gonna make you sit down. You ain't gonna like it. You ain't gonna like it when you gotta sit down. Get in. You gotta get in for a whole minute
now.
now.
For a minute.
Yep. All right. Sit down all the way.
All the way.
All right. There we go. Go. Just breathe. He's got a minute. He's got a minute. Just stay on in there. Look, talk to me now. What are you
It's
feeling?
not that bad.
Is it not that bad?
It's actually not bad.
Well, go ahead and put your feet down there, kid.
Yeah.
Put your feet all the way out there. Stretch all the way out, son. There you go.
Relax.
There you go. Here, let's help him a little bit, you two. There we go. There we go. Okay, you got 10 seconds left. And he's done.
Step out on the rug. Don't get it everywhere. Don't get it everywhere.
All right, Bryson. What you got to say? Huh? What you got to say? Say something, son.
Hey, YouTube.
He ain't got nothing
It
to
froze
say.
all of his brain cells.
It froze all of his brain cells, she says.
Brain cells.
Thank you guys for watching. This was Bryson's Ice Bath Challenge thing from Losing the Pack Battle. And we will have the What's in My Mouth Challenge for you guys tomorrow. And you too.
Not looking forward to that.
She says not looking forward to it. You too. Have a good day.